Want to learn how to turn your savings into real wealth? Imagine having a $1 million portfolio down the road. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact 5 steps to start investing with a Roth IRA and build your way toward that $1 million goal, starting as a complete beginner in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's Beginner's Roth IRA Investing Masterclass, we're diving deep into a simple, straightforward investing strategy that you can start using right now to build a solid portfolio. Whether you're just starting out or feeling overwhelmed, this video will give you the confidence to take that first step into the world of investing. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. Step 1 is to choose a brokerage. Think of your brokerage as the platform that will help you buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, and bonds. When choosing a brokerage, look for one with great customer support and a user-friendly interface. A few platforms I recommend for beginners are Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard. Make sure the platform you choose has all the functions you'll need, like easy navigation, low fees, and reliable customer service. This is your investing foundation, so take your time to pick the right one for you. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows your investments to grow tax-free, and when you retire, you can withdraw your money tax-free. Opening one is easy, and you'll typically just need to fill out a simple form with basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Don't worry if you don't understand all the details just yet. Focus on getting that account opened. You can always learn more as you go. Now let's talk about depositing money into your Roth IRA. The next step is to contribute. How much should you contribute? Well, it depends on your age. If you're younger, say in your 20s or 30s, you can afford to start small and let time do the heavy lifting. The key here is consistency, not the amount. Step 4 is to buy assets. This is where the fun begins. You'll choose whether to invest in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are great for beginners because they give you exposure to many companies all at once, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If you're just starting, ETFs like the S&P 500 index funds like SPY or VOO are an excellent choice. Individual stocks are a little riskier, but they could also offer higher rewards. However, if you're new to investing, sticking with ETFs is a safe bet. Step 5 is what I like to call water your plant. Just like a plant needs regular watering, your investment needs consistent contributions. The best way to do this is through the dollar cost averaging or DCA method. This means you contribute the same amount of money regularly, every month for example, regardless of how the market is doing. Now let's talk about DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plans. These allow you to reinvest any dividends you receive from your stocks or ETFs automatically, which helps you grow your portfolio faster. If your investments pay dividends, consider enrolling in a DRIP to compound your returns. Now here's the #1 mistake that I see beginners make. They give up too early. They don't see immediate results and get discouraged. But here's the truth. Investing is a long-term game, like planting an acorn today and waiting for the oak tree to grow. You might not see huge results right away, but every little bit you invest is one step closer to your goal, so be patient. Stick to the game plan. Keep investing, keep growing, and before you know it, your $1 million portfolio will start to take shape. Alright, to recap, here are the 5 steps to build your Roth IRA portfolio. Choose the right brokerage. Open a Roth IRA account. Deposit money regularly based on your age. Buy assets. ETFs are a great choice for beginners. Water your plant by using DCA and DRIP to grow your wealth over time. Now I want to hear from you. What's the first step you're going to take to start investing in your Roth IRA? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about how we can build wealth together. And before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. We're in this journey together, and I'm excited to see you all succeed. Let's start planting those acorns and watching them grow.